look today at finding Google Chrome browser extensions. In order to start that process, I'm on my start page here and I've got something called the Chrome Web Store. And as I launch that, you'll start to see some options here that are available. A lot of great apps that are displayed here. You can check a lot of these out and see their ratings and so on. But a little bit further down the table is something called an extension. And those extensions are going to add some functionality to your desktop. And I know one that I've seen previously that I wanted to check out. It's called Awesome Screenshot Capture, so I'm going to type that in, find it here. This is a tool that allows me to capture the screen and annotate on it, highlight with rectangles, circles, and arrows, and that sounds pretty cool. In order to do that, I'm going to add it to Chrome. And this extension is going to be verified that I want to add this, and should add it up here on my toolbar. And I've got the check mark here. I've got the icon showing up on the toolbar, and it should be ready to go. So let me close this little dialog window out. I'm going to tab over and open a new window here, and let's go to, let's say, the New York Times today, and highlight that, open it up, and as I'm reading this page, I see some things I'd like to call out to my audience or my readers. I'm going to go ahead and capture this entire page, and it now becomes a document that I'm going to be able to work on. You can see my tool here, my resource, allows me to highlight and blur. So for instance, let's say I needed to blur out these young girls' faces. I can do that. I can add some text up here and just type, "This is important," and I'll put that in there. I see the colors selected. I can take an arrow from here and say right here, "This is important." So I've got that highlighted. Got the ability to crop and add some rectangles and so on, some other point features and some freehanding and so on. So once I've got that, I can actually undo the last piece that I've done. I can obviously change the color of the pointer if I'd like. So this arrow could then become something different each time. So I've got some neat little features I can play with here in this annotation tool. I've got that. It's a pretty neat little tool. I've got it available, and